803-799-TALK. And that is 8255, 803-799-TALK. One thing we do want to remind you of too is that we have a workshop coming up. This workshop is currently scheduled for January 6th. It's wholesaling, and the reason we did this is how we started in the business, getting properties under contract, helping connect investors with those properties. You don't necessarily need a license, but we want to show you how to do it the right way so that you don't get in trouble, because there are things you need to keep in mind. So this is great. Make sure you go to our website, Palmetto Real Estate Pros. You can sign up. If you have questions, you can call us directly at 803-939-8562.
And
So,
Chad, believe it or not, even wholesale deals fail sometime because somebody else other than you can't seem to get it right.
anytime there's people involved in anything, there's a possibility of failure.
So I just want you all to know that's listening, I'm actually recording that radio spot, and I've got this perfect background of the point radio with my purse sitting right in front of Chad. So if
It
you
clashes,
see this
by the way. I don't
online,
like it.
it's not his purse.